a fun child park. Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the slider. We'll start with the sliding area. Just a nice, smooth curve like this. Now, let's draw the ladder so kids can climb up to the slide.
Wow!
And finally, let's draw some stands to hold our slide up.
Cool!
Next, let's draw a cradle. We'll start with the top bar that holds the swings. Now, let's draw 3 stands to support our swing set. 1, 2, 3. Let's add the swings hanging down. And finally, the last stand to complete it. Great job!
Awesome!
Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker.